Hello students, myself Khurshid sir. Today I am going to explain the chapter Evolution of Computers. In this chapter we will study about history of computer, generations of computers, characteristics and limitations of computers. Evolution means or evolution can be defined as the process of growth and development from past. With the help of these pictures we can understand the development of a machine. This is an old computer. This is a new computer after development. So this activity shows how machine changes from old to new. The advanced form. These are the advanced form of these machines. The first computer was invented more than 80 years ago. So a long time was taken to the computer whatever we are using nowadays. So in this way slowly and gradually a machine was developed. Next page. In early times people used stones, fingers and bones for calculation, but that was not possible for a large calculation. So that's why in early times different kinds of machines were developed for calculation. First machine and first calculating device you can say was developed by Chinese. That was abacus. This is the picture of abacus. Abacus contains rods and beads. Beads a round piece of wood or plastic, etc. Abacus was mainly designed for calculation such as the basic calculation we can say such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Abacus word was taken from the Greek word abax, A-B-A-X. Abax means flat surface. Next calculating device was Napier's bones. It was developed by John Napier in 1617. The device consisted of rods made of bones, ivory or metal with numbers written on them. And this machine was also developed for basic multiplication and division. Let's go for the next machine, calculating machine. Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator. It was developed by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It could perform addition, subtraction. Next calculating device or machine, that was difference engine. It was developed by Charles Babbage in 1822. It was designed to perform mathematical operations automatically. And just after 15 years another machine was developed by the same person, Charles Babbage. As we know, Charles Babbage is considered as father of computer. Charles Babbage developed this machine in 1837. It is considered as the world's first general purpose computer. And one thing more I want to tell you about this machine: the reader and printer were used as input and output devices respectively. Let's go to the next page for the next calculating device. It is tabulating machine. This tabulating machine was developed by Hermann Hollerith in 1890. The tabulating machine was an electromechanical machine, and this machine used punch card. Punch card are paper cards containing several punched holes to represent data. These cards store information that can be accessed by inserting the card into the computer. Another machine, the calculating device we can say, that was ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. It was the first electronic computer developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1946. The ENIAC was very large size of ENIAC. That was the merit of ENIAC, because it is not portable. Another one was UNIVAC. It is also a name of calculating device. It was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951. UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, was the second commercial computer. After studying, we can check our progress. Napier Bones. These are the names of the machines or calculating devices, and here is the name of the inventors. Napier Bones was developed by John Napier. Tabulating machine was developed by Hermann Hollerith. Pascaline was developed by Blaise Pascal. Difference engine was developed by Charles Babbage. We can see here also that difference engine designed by Charles Babbage. On the next page, pioneers of the modern computer, those persons who played very significant role in the field of development of computer. So here are some persons. Charles Babbage was an English mathematician and inventor. As I told you just earlier, he is considered as the father of computers. Next one, Augusta Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician